What's up, man? How are you?
Good, brother. How are you?
Long time no see.
Come on in.
What's going on? So this is one of my sponsors for the year. This is Rob Lackey. Where's Tasha? So this is Tasha, his wife. They own and operate an absolutely incredible business in Bison Track gear. 100% bespoke custom leathers, airbags potentially included, depending on which one you go with.
Yeah.
The Thor
2.2 has the air vest capability. So yeah.
Cool. Gloves, undersuits. So all kinds of stuff, but I came over just to chat with them for a second. I got to get an undersuit myself, so I'm sweating like a crazy man out there. And then I think we'll take a look at some of the stuff that they offer. Sound cool?
Awesome. That's great.
All right, cool. So I gave a little bit of a rundown, but I want to let Rob and Tasha kind of give a breakdown of what the business is, how you can contact them, and all that kind of fun stuff. They're amazing partners. I love them. They're fantastic. But what you got?
Hey, so this, first of all, is our house.
Welcome to the house.
Yeah, this is my office slash bike hauler slash rabbit carrier area and Bison Mobile World headquarters.
There's legitimately a rabbit in their house.
He is our mascot. Everybody's like, shouldn't you have a bison for a mascot? The answer is no. It won't fit back. Yeah, it just won't fit. But he's fast, and we want our customers to go fast and be safe. So we thought Thumper was a good mascot for Bison. So, but anyway, this is our house, and we full time out of this, and we travel track to track, and we try to come to you, the customer, because we know you're going to be at the track. So our company is race centric. I personally have designed these products and seeked out a supplier to make them, and with the help of Racer Ambassador friends, we've tweaked them and made everything just as good as it can possibly be, especially for the price. So that's our goal, to provide really high quality, nice stuff, and be trackside to take care of you like a pro, whether you are a track day rider or an actual professional rider. So,
and the price is phenomenal. Just got to throw that in there. For what you get, like full-fledged bespoke suit, you can't touch it.
Thank you. That's why we made this business. It wasn't to make an extra buck. I mean, obviously we have to.
you kind of live out of you live out of shop in the business, so it's kind of part of the deal.
Make some money. Yeah. But we want everybody to be as safe as possible, look as good as possible, while not breaking the bank.
Yeah.
And we think we've got a perfect balance. So.
Yeah, that was the things we talked about when he first started racing was don't spend a lot of money and don't hurt yourself.
Yeah, the don't spend a lot of money thing probably went out the window pretty quick.
But that's how this company started.
Yeah.
You know, when I started getting sponsors and they said, hey, we want our patches on your suit. And I'm like, by the time I buy a new suit, put all the patches on, $2,000 in. You know, if there was something in the $1,000 range that I could get all of this, and everything I found had compromise. And so we were able to design this stuff, and then we found a couple great suppliers that were able to make this stuff for us, and not in quantity. So I told them I'm not making 20 black and white suits. I'm making one that's green, yellow, red, and one that's black and blue, and I need the prices to stay the same. And so we worked it out. One thing I want to touch on real quick, between my shirt and this suit here, this is our flagship sponsored team for next season, Barcon Racing. So Cooper McDonald and Dominic Doyle in Moto America, both Twins
SV
Cup.
class, right?
Yeah, Dominic Doyle's Junior Cup.
Oh, very cool.
And then of course Cooper and Twins Cup. So we're really excited about that. That's our flagship team. Yeah. And then we got Ryan Max Johnson that's moving up to Twins Cup. Stephen Smith next door to us here at Twins Cup. So we've got a lot of Twins Cup riders. But we'll be Moto America centric next season. You'll see a lot more of us there. So.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
We'll be at
There's so much value in everything that they offer, and so we just BisonTrack.com, right?
Absolutely.
That's where we're going.
BisonTrack.com. We take care of it pretty much one-on-one now. Southern Adrenaline, Leather and Lace, a couple of our trackside vendors, and then we've got some dealer or some brand ambassadors that are at the track as well. You can talk to them. So you go to our website, and then there's a schedule there. You can see who's going to be at the track that you can meet up with, talk to, and get measured.
Well, with that said, I want to thank you both. If it wasn't for the sponsors being able to help me out, being a new novice this season, I want to be fast, but I want to be safe, and the relationship, the friendship that these two have offered, it's been phenomenal. So on behalf of both Rob and Tasha, thank you guys. Seriously, appreciate it.
We're happy to have you.
But with that said, I got to grab an undersuit, and I'm done talking because I want to go out on the track. So we'll see you then.
That's
right. All right, see you guys.
Take care, guys. Thanks.